Shira from Remind. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the new people list, which shows everyone who's part of your organization on Remind and provides more insight and better visibility to help you safeguard your community. To see it, go to your school admin dashboard and click on the People tab at the top of the page. Let's first explore the filters that allow you to see and understand who's in your organization. You can filter by role, such as students, parents, teachers, or no role. Filter to see which users are rostered from your school's student information system. And for students, you can filter down by grade level. For teachers, you can also view the date of their last announcement sent. You can also get instant access to information and insights with new profile and class views for individual users. Click on a name to view details such as their contact information, family members within the organization, and classes owned or joined on Remind. From the user profile, you can message individuals directly by clicking on the blue button to let them know about any updates they need to make to their account. Let's go back to the people list to see how you can drill into a user's class information. To do so, click on the name and click on the Classes Joined view to see recent class announcements and a full participant list. The new people list also makes troubleshooting easier with individual and batch actions. You can change roles, get message history, or remove users from your organization. These new features are a great way to keep your organization up to date so you can communicate confidently on Remind. That wraps up our video. Thanks for watching.